505 agility or change of direction test measures the subject's ability to change direction without losing much speed. The 505 agility test was designed with the demands of cricket in mind. This test is especially appropriate for cricket batsmen as the movement patterns are similar to those used by batsmen running between the wickets. However, the test has been used for other sports requiring change of directions and agility, such as netball. To perform the test, one needs a measuring tape, markers such as cones, and a timing gate or a stopwatch. The cones are marked the starting line, the start and stop timing gate at 10 meters, and the turning point at 15 meters. As stated in a paper, the test surface should always be the same, and the footwear of the test persons should be adapted to it, so it's standardized. The time of day should be similar, so that the test reassessment will be performed under the same conditions. First, the person testing must provide some information about the purpose of the test. Players were instructed to accelerate as quickly as possible through the timing gates at 10 meters, pivot on the 15 meters line, and return as quickly as possible through the timing gate. The timing gate is exactly 5 meters away from the turning point and is crossed both when running to the turning point and when running back. Times were measured to the nearest 0.01 seconds, with the fastest value obtained from 3 trials used as the 505 agility test score. If measured with a stopwatch, the testing person should be positioned at the 10-meter mark. For the modified 505 test, the athlete's starting line is 5 meters instead of 10 meters away from the timing gate. Players were instructed to accelerate as quickly as possible along the 5-meter distance, pivot on the 5-meter line, and return as quickly as possible through the timing gates. A study in 2016 indicates that a standardized warm-up program must be performed prior to the testing session, consisting of 5 minutes of jogging on a treadmill at a self-selected running velocity, followed by 10 minutes of dynamic stretching of the lower body and progressive speed runs over the testing distances. There are differences in the warm-up process in the various studies, but they are small and mainly limited to the length of each part. After that, the tested person should perform a test run followed by a short break before the test is performed. The starting position at the start should be upright. The only description is that the start should not be from the ground as in a sprint start. When performing the test, pay special attention to the way the subject turns at the turning point. The literature describes that at least 1 foot must completely cross the turn mark. However, the way in which the hands are used for support is not described. The test run cannot be scored if the foot does not cross the mark at all or only partially. It is also essential to ensure that the footwear is suitable for the surface so that the test can be performed safely. Lastly, in the literature, a distinction is often, but not always, made between tests in which the preferred and non-preferred foot is turned at the turning point. This produces different results between the 2 legs, which must also be standardized and considered.